Welcome back. I'm Michael with Orthopro, and today we're going to be visiting with our friend Dustin with regards to hip disarticulation prosthetics. People living with hip disarticulation or hemipulpectomy amputation represent a small percentage of the total amputee population. In the United States, approximately 133,000 lower limb amputation procedures are performed yearly. Of these, approximately 0.5% have experienced a hemipulpectomy and 1% have experienced a hip disarticulation amputation.
I think I was 35 when I lost my leg. So I had 2 legs up to 35, and I was a pretty busy person. I mean, I loved hunting, fishing, and moving cattle. I've been doing that since I was a little kid.
A hip disarticulation means that your entire leg has been amputated through your hip joint, leaving your pelvis intact. The biggest challenge of dealing with a hip disarticulation is the fact that you're missing 3 joints that you would normally have: your hip joint, your knee joint, and your ankle. These are 3 joints that are now being replaced with a prosthetic device. Dustin has a hip disarticulation prosthesis that replaces his hip with a Helix hip from Autobot, and then a Microprocessor-Controlled knee, as well as a dynamic response foot with Multi-Axial response. That helps him ambulate on the uneven surfaces that he has at his ranch while walking in cowboy boots.
That's been a big improvement, being able to have the freedom of my leg to move around and be comfortable. And probably some of the best therapy anybody could have got was just to be able to sit on my horse and feel like I had 2 legs and it's not 1 leg.
A special thanks to Dustin for allowing us to spotlight him. This is another example of how Orthopro helps our clients every day. I invite you to watch our other videos featuring the technology that we use to improve our clients' lives every day. If you or a loved one would like more information or to schedule a free consultation, please visit our website or give us a call.